See, I always keep telling, even when I was in KFIN or was in BSc or now in MFU, I think MF as a product or as an industry, the competition is no longer there. It's all about collaboration. So, end of the day, have the same investors base, we have the same scripts, okay, and we are our same distributors. Okay, so all the AMCs, be it's going to be 20 or 30, now we have around 40 AMCs. Everyone is eyeing for that AEM, that investor base, that distributor base, and that scripts basically. So we would my expectation is to collaborate more and bring on what we can able to bring. So the reason I'm saying is subscription is made well now today. We are good to enough to do that. And even as I think Jane told initially, if we can able to strike a good chord with the banking industry, which really helped MF industry, but there are still a lot of disparity between what they offer to other products versus MF. Probably the percentage is very less. If NPCA, RBA, or banking industry, along with payment aggregators, established players like you, can able to help us to streamline a lot of things, that will really really help. Uh, and again, I'm talking about not only subscription. I'm talking about the
Refund redemption as well.
refund, rejections, redemptions, and all this stuff. So as I told you initially, the debit card authentication. Okay, so that can be because everyone has debit card. Even the RuPay. I think there is some. There was an RBI circular saying that no RuPay card need to be authorized used for mutual fund and all. But unfortunately, all those banks who have RuPay uh, doesn't give us the underlying code, underlying bank account. Okay, if that can be done, so why not? Okay, so some of those things to be done. So I expect in the next 2 3 years, as digital is going to grow big time, to give a and payment experience is going to be one of the key component of an entire. So let's talk about say someone in Durgapur or Siliguri, very northeast. If I can able to onboard him quickly. I can able to do a transaction, but payment he need to authorize. Okay, so if he can able to authorize quickly and I get the payment, so the experience is so good. So they will say anyway. No, like people like BPFAS and lot of AMCs whose fund performance is very good today. So if you can able to recommend, one is a fund performance, second is your payment is done quickly because that's where your emotion lies, your money lies, whatever it is. So I would say next 2 3 years, people like you as a CampsPay able to help us, like this webinar. We should also have more yeah, focused group with the significant stakeholders like people from NPCI, people from RTA, MFU, exchange platforms come together, probably form a committee to see like what we need to do, then give that recommendation to SEBI or RBI or NPCI. And I'm not saying it will happen, but at least there will be some. And we don't have 10, 15 items, Ravi. We have only some 3 4 items, or maximum 5 items. If we can able to drive that, I think that will be of great help for the industry. And then the vision of AMFI of 100 trillion will definitely happen. So that's where I think we should head towards it. Till now, I think payment has been grown on its own. Okay, we cannot really not nurtured it properly, but any focused nurturing, focused vision on that will able to help us much much more. Is my view.